It is time to do some exhaust on the ZR2. This is the 24 3.0 Duramax diesel. We do have the dual exit exhaust. Thankfully, with this ZR2, I get the full rear bumper rather than the little inserts there. If you have the inserts, this exhaust still will fit because I did that on my prior trucks. Now, this is going to kick it out the side. It's going to be a beautiful black tip right there. It is the polished version that I picked up right here. I'll throw links in the description for you. But basically, we are converting this dual exit exhaust right here to a single. And in doing so, we're also going to delete that muffler right there. All right, we got the polished exhaust system, as you can see. This is the muffler that we have on the LZ0s. The LM2s don't have this, and this is an LZ0 specific kit, so this video will be based around that. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to make a cut, but we're gonna do it right here next to the exhaust hanger, so that way it's gonna leave enough room for the exhaust to slip over, and we can clamp it down right here. So we're gonna go and do that right now, and then we're gonna get this exhaust out. Cut has been made. I will take a file to this and clean it up. We'll be good to go. We got it all installed, slipped right over. I did file this exhaust a little bit to allow it to slip over a little bit better. You can see the polished exhaust is super nice. Fitment is on point. Tied up against here, just like the factory exhaust was. Heat shield there to protect. Perfect fitment next to the shock. And that is the Multimatic, obviously, so a regular shock will have even more room. Coming around. Final thoughts on this? I am very happy with it. I think it looks great. The exhaust tip is super cool looking. Nice black. Kicks it out the side, which I think is a huge plus, because when I'm towing now, we don't have it shooting directly back, especially when we're on regen. It's just going to shoot out the side. I like the added looks, the added sound. I do notice a little bit of a sound difference with the deletion of the muffler. Fitment was great. Whether or not all the sounds come through on the camera, I don't know, but hopefully this helps you make the decision if you want one of these for your truck as well. But I am stoked